Hey everyone, today I will be teaching you how to advertise affiliate links without a website and absolutely free of cost. Not only this, it will earn you free traffic, which means tons of people will be coming to your affiliate offers. Affiliate marketing is achieved through the help of a borrowed authority. You may earn money from this, along with tens and thousands of individuals viewing your product every month. So if you want to market affiliate links without a website, please follow my instructions carefully, as I will be explaining them step by step for your ease. So please subscribe, and let's begin. Firstly, I would want to teach you how to lawfully advertise your affiliate links so that you can make money out of them. For this, if we take the example of the relationship industry, so if we search a random article, let's say 7 ways to get your ex back, we can see that it has been viewed by over 343,000 individuals. The question is, why are so many people interested in this article? The answer is that they are using someone else's website. This is called borrowed authority, and it revolves around using someone else's website to attract visitors to your items, your own links, and email list, and hence increasing the list in this manner. Suppose we take the same example of X and search it on Ahrefs. This is a paid site, which is mainly used to analyze website link profile, keyword rankings, and SEO's health. You can also use Ahrefs to conduct keyword research for Google, YouTube, and Amazon. And many people use Ahrefs to find content that is performed well on a given topic. It can be seen that it has been searched for around 18,000 times. And despite the keyword and medium difficulty, they are able to rank this post on Google since they are using someone else's website. Secondly, I will explain how to shorten the affiliate link along with the utilization of a free landing page and how to organize them. You can use any YouTube videos to embed, helping you to advertise various affiliate links. Secondly, the site that will be used to market these affiliate links is Medium.com. It is a platform that gives the opportunity to come and submit various sorts of articles. It is an open writing platform where bloggers can write, publish, and promote their stories to a vast audience. There are 2 methods to earn money on Medium. Method 1. You can create various articles and include affiliate links, which people will click on, and if they get a sale, you get a cut of it. Method 2. You can become a partner, where you get paid based on how long people stay on these articles and read them. But for that, you need people to come over there, click on 2 separate posts, and locate those articles. Personally, I like the affiliate marketing technique where you put connections to there and you are completely permitted. The main question is, why is Medium so powerful? If we look at it at Medium.com, it is the 64th most powerful website, and it has millions of blank links. Along with that, it has around 30 million keywords ranking on Google. And as a result, the Medium is already one of the best ways to start with affiliate marketing. It will also enable you to post articles there. That is, if you write a great post with roughly 1,500 words and include those keywords in the title and body of the content, and you end up ranking in the top 10, you have a very strong chance of making money by marketing these affiliate links. Lastly, the advantage of using sites such as Medium.com for making money is that it doesn't matter how huge the keyword is. Since the Medium is incredibly strong, you have a high chance of ranking that article. An example of this, imagine you wanted to write an article on how to generate money online. This is a very difficult keyword, with a keyword difficulty of 83. Every month, 361,000 individuals look for this information. Because Medium.com is really strong, if you produce a long enough article and include this in both the title and the body, you still have a reasonable chance of ranking in the top 10. Thirdly, if you head over to Medium and go over to their rules, you will be able to see it under their advertisements and promotions and marketing if you scroll down. It just states that you must disclose affiliate links, such as links to Amazon with your code or any other link out there where you will earn a commission or additional value or permitted in posts. Let me repeat that they are allowed in posts, but you must declare somewhere in the article that it contains affiliate links. If you got money in the form of goods or services or anything else of value in return for publishing this article, you must declare it following FTC requirements. I will precisely explain how you can achieve it. All you have to do is go to Medium.com, log in with your Gmail or establish an account. Then, on the left side, you can see a small pencil icon that you may click on, and that will send you to a page where you will be able to compose this content. It is how to utilize Medium.com and where you will acquire those photographs. So basically, if you duplicate an article, the Medium will be able to detect that it has been fully plagiarized and your content will never be indexed. Therefore, you must update it or may ask someone to do so. Moreover, with the help of this plus symbol, you can add photos, you can search for things, and you can embed videos. Similarly, if the pictures are not yours, you can go to pixel.com. Pixel is basically the short form of picture element. Enter over there, and you will come across a large variety of pictures. And if you click on one of the pictures, all you need to do is click on Free Download. The photograph will be transferred to your computer. Then you will click on the plus symbol and will click on the picture, which will take you to your computer, where you will click on that image. This way, the picture will be integrated into your medium. And finally, towards the conclusion of the piece, remember to include the affiliate notice somewhere in this content. Step 5 is where you can locate items to promote. For this, click on to promote, then click on to produce hop link, and then copy the URL. Guys, when you copy the URL, you would go to this website called bit.ly.com. Furthermore, if you want to shorten the URL, go to bit.ly and sign up for an account. From there, go on the platform called beacon.ai. This will enable you to construct a free landing page where you may possibly advertise many items. So precisely all you have to do is establish an account and log in. It is completely free to do anything you want to do with it. You may also add numerous pages to make a truly cool-looking website. Once it is created, the next step is to copy it as it has your affiliated link. If you want to add a new link, just click on Add a New Link, enter the title and subtitle, and then paste the bit.ly link right into the box. And you will be writing similar to this. Do you want to earn $25 to $50 per hour with a side hustle so that when someone comes over, they can see precisely what you are referring to in your article case? If you don't want the new link, you are simply going to remove it by double-clicking. Once you write anything like this, all you have to do is highlight it. After you have highlighted it, click on the small link symbol, press Ctrl+V, and then enter. Once you highlight it again, you may choose between bold and italic so that it is easier for the readers to precisely understand what it is. Repeat it a few times throughout the post. Another thing we will do is make sure we are adequately protected. We will get the affiliate disclaimer. Once we get down there, we will copy it and scroll down, and you can include it in the conclusion of your piece. This is how you are going to promote affiliate links without a website by using borrowed authority on a website that can help you rank with any kind of keyword, guys. All you need to do is rewrite that content, find a niche you are interested in, and then go over to Medium. And once you are on Medium, you can write as many of these articles to help you make money online with affiliate marketing. And that's it. This is how you will be able to affiliate links without a website and with absolutely no cost. I hope this was helpful. Also, don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe button.